Hello everyone. Joining us today is Simran Pushkarna, who interned with ICICI Bank. Hi Simran.
Hi Abhay,
We are excited to have you here.
thank you.
Could you introduce yourself and the company where you are interned?
Sure. So my name is Simran Pushkarna. I am a second year MBA HRD student at Delhi School of Economics. I have a commerce background and I pursued a degree in management for my graduation, and I interned with ICICI Bank for my summer internship.
So Simran, what were your main responsibility which you performed during your internship?
So in my internship, I worked on projects related to employee engagement and employee relations. In the field of employee engagement, my task was to observe and analyze all the existing engagement activities at the bank and come up with recommendations on how we can further improve them on the basis of global best practices. In the field of employee relations, my task was to shadow the ER manager, go on multiple branch visits, observe and hear the grievances of the employees and understand how a bank like ICICI deals with those problems. And on the basis of that, I had to provide recommendations on how we can make the service delivery process more delightful for the employees.
So Simran, can you tell me what were some challenges you faced and how did you overcome them?
So for me, the biggest challenge was to understand how I can apply my theoretical knowledge and concepts into practice. For that, I reached out to a lot of people, made a lot of new connections, asked as many questions as possible to get a better understanding and understand the point of view of various employees in the organization. So my way of dealing with this challenge was to reach out to as many people, understand and gather as many point of views as I could to apply my theoretical concepts in the best way possible.
So what were your biggest takeaway or the learning from your experience?
My biggest learning was number one, never be afraid of asking questions, because whenever you're not sure about how to go ahead with the thing, there are people who are willing to help you. You just need to reach out to them. The second biggest takeaway was that since we are in the field of human resources, we work at the heart of the organization and deal with the people who make all things possible in any company. So it's very crucial to understand the role of human touch, of human connect in an organization, and I have realized that this human touch cannot be replaced in the future. When it comes to dealing with sensitive employee cases, having that empathy and that connect is very crucial for us. So these were my two key learnings from my internship.
So any tips or advice you want to give to students who are preparing for internship?
Right. So my advice would be to read very well about the companies that are coming on campus. Second would be to look at the role, not the company or the stipend that they're offering. If the role excites you, you should definitely go ahead with it. My third advice would be to keep yourself updated with all the academic concepts and subjects. And most important, in the interviews, try to be your true authentic self, because at the end, that is what makes the biggest difference.
That's a fantastic experience, Simran.
Thank you.
We are sure your insight will inspire many others. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you so much.